Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, you'll learn how to create multiple user accounts in batch mode without using any external tool in Ubuntu Dedicated Server. For that, you need to have a user account with root or root privileges.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now back to the video.
Now, open putty. Give the IP address. Like I am putting it here right now. Click open. Give login username. Press enter. Give login password. Press enter. Before proceeding, you need to know what a batch file is. Batch mode is a feature in Linux that allows you to run a list of commands in a single file instead of typing them in one by one at the command line prompt. Now, let's begin. We have to create a new text file, users.txt. So we have to give this following command. Touch, give a space, users.txt. Press enter. Then it will ask for the next command. This time you need to change file permissions. So give this command chmod, give a space, 600, another space, users.txt. Now press enter. Then you have to open users text with GNU Nano. What is GNU Nano? You might ask. Good question. GNU Nano is a text editor for Unix-like computing systems for operating environments using a command line interface. It emulates the Pico text editor, part of the Pine client, and also provides extra functionality. Unlike Pico, Nano is licensed under the GNU General Public License. That's why it's named GNU Nano. So git this command nano space users.txt to add user account details and then press enter. Let me maximize this window. This is how GNU Nano text editor looks like with different options below. Give account details now, like I am giving here. Alice, colon, password, colon, Alice with a capital A, colon, slash, home, slash, Alice, colon, slash, bin, slash, bash. Here you have generated an account under the name of Alice. You can add another account like in the next one. Press enter and then give Bob, colon, password. It will also follow the same pattern like what we did in Alice's time. Colon, Bob with a capital B, colon, slash, home, slash, Bob in all small, again, colon, slash, bin, dash. Here you have just generated another account under the name of Bob. Now press Ctrl O to save the changes. It will show you the file name below. All you have to do is press enter if you're satisfied with this file name. In here, as you can see, it is written as users.txt. If you're satisfied with this, press enter and proceed. Now, it is showing you the status of that we have wrote 2 lines. That means we have given 2 account names in here. Now, press Ctrl X to exit GU Nano Editor. Here, we have returned to the CLI window. Then, give the command sudo space new users space users dot txt. Then press enter. This will import all users listed in. So this is how you have created multiple user accounts in batch mode in Ubuntu Dedicated Server system. Thanks for watching.